In this video, you will learn how to use the survey feature. Setting up a survey through this tab will allow you to send standardized questionnaires to participants to measure the precise outcomes established in the protocol of your study. Surveys are one of the two main ways to capture data using example research. Using surveys, you can create, publish, stop, and delete outcome measure surveys. This can allow you to gain further insights that routines may not capture, such as how a participant feels during a specific event or their opinion on a treatment plan. As a reminder, routines capture supplementary data on health behaviors, like exercise, supplement use, or other factors that could be considered covariates, while surveys will allow you to use standardized tools to capture patient-reported outcomes data. For example, this multiple sclerosis study would like to quantify the quality of life of multiple sclerosis participants being treated with oral teriflunomide. Quality of life is being measured using a multiple sclerosis impact scale added as a survey into sample research. To set up a survey, from the dashboard, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the Study Setup dropdown. Then click Surveys. Here is where you will see all the surveys you have created. Surveys will show up as published or as a draft. For a survey to go live, it must be published by clicking these three dots and selecting Publish. Here you can either choose to copy an existing survey or create a new survey. If you want to copy an existing survey, select the profile the survey is under and then select the survey. Note that only schedules assigned to all participants will be copied. For this tutorial, we will select Create New Survey. To begin, we will fill out the survey name. Next, fill out the description. This can be used to help participants understand the importance of the survey or how to fill it out. You can add an image to the survey by selecting Add Image. To help participants know how long it will take them to complete the survey, you can add in an estimated duration. Next, data privacy allows you to see that a survey was completed, but excludes survey results from CSV exports and participant overview screens. This is meant to protect participant privacy regarding survey results. To toggle data privacy on, just click the box next to it. Consent forms allow you to collect consent once per survey instance, or once per participant. Consent forms you've created will appear here. If you created a consent form to be shown on every survey, the box will be checked, and to change it, you will have to go into the consent feature. For consent forms that are manually added, you can select the checkbox to activate it for the survey. To learn more about consent forms within sample research, watch our consent form tutorial video. Next, this is where you will add the questions for the survey. Click on the drop-down menu to select a question type. To learn more about the different types of questions you can set up within sample research, watch our video on survey questions. Survey schedules are useful if you want to send out a survey at a certain point within a study, after a specific event occurs, or to a certain group. For this example, we want to send surveys out at baseline, 6 months, and 1-year time points within the study to all participants. For this, we will set up 3 survey schedules. To begin, select the participants you want to send the survey to. This can be all participants within the study, or select participants that have been put into a study group. Study groups can be useful in the event that you want a specific group to be sent the survey at a different time based on a different event, or to get further insights into how the different groups responded. To learn more, watch our tutorial on study groups. Next, select the event that you want to be the baseline for scheduling. To learn more about this feature, watch our tutorial on participant events. Set the start day number and active days. The start day number is the day you want the survey to go out based on the event. For our baseline, we would enter 1, so the survey goes out right away. For sending a survey out at 6 months, we would enter 182, and for 1 year, we would enter 365. It's important to note that you must enter a value that is 1 or greater. The active days number is how much time you want to give a participant to fill out the survey. In this case, we want the participant to complete the survey within 6 days, so we will set an active day number of 6. Select a survey frequency for the survey you have set up. If you wanted participants to receive the survey every week, you would select weekly. For our survey, we will input a time of noon with a day number of 1 for our baseline. Now let's finalize the details and select Save. Here's where you can view drafted or published surveys you've already created. This will show you all the details of your survey, including the number of responses. Again, it's important to note that when surveys are saved, they're saved as a draft. To make a survey live, select the 3 dots on the right side and click on Publish Survey. Additionally, you can also duplicate, edit, or delete the survey. And that's it. You now know how to create and publish a survey. Make sure to watch our video on the different types of survey questions that can be set up using Xamplo Research.